Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to try to fix a black screen in OBS Studio Recording. So if you have black screen problem like you see over here, then we'll try to fix it together. However, I need to warn you that this is only one of the possible fixes. So this may help you, but this may also not work for you. So don't hate me if it doesn't work. So let's start. This black screen often is caused if we have two graphic cards in our system. So there are few possible solutions to that. First solution would be to, for example, install the recent drivers, or for example to disable one of the graphic cards, or setting the priority in the settings of our graphic cards, which graphic card would be using OBS, for example. So how to check if the graphic card is the problem? In order to do that, we have to make sure that OBS is closed, and then we move our mouse down here, and in this place we need to type device manager, and as soon as we type it in, as we can see over here, it says device manager. So we need to open device manager like I did right now, and then over here on this list we need to find display adapters. If we click on this arrow over here, we will see one or two graphic cards. If in your case you've got two graphic cards, to check if this is the issue, this is the reason why you have black screen, all you have to do is disable one of those graphic cards. So I'm just gonna right click on this AMD Radeon card and then choose disable device. It will ask if we really want to disable the device. I'm gonna click yes. And then a few seconds later, as you can see over here, there is a small icon. That means this device is disabled. So now when we have this disabled, let me open OBS Studio again. So I'm just gonna type OBS over here and press enter. OBS is opening. And as you can see, I don't have black screen problem anymore. So this is how you check what is the cause of your black screen, and then like I mentioned before, there may be few possible fixes. One of them would be just disabling one of your graphic cards like we did a moment ago, so just disable the card that you're not using and it will fix your black screen problem. If it is not a solution you would like to pursue, you can also, like I mentioned before, update your graphic card to the recent drivers. So it of course depends on the different graphic cards that you have. So just find the recent drivers and it may fix the problem. Another solution would be to go to the settings of your graphics card, and then over there you can set the priority or the preference. So for example, if you want OBS to use this graphic card, you would just set it up in the preferences of your graphics card. And I need to mention that not all of the graphics card have those preferences that could be customized. So it depends on the model of the graphic card that you have. But in order to do that, you just right click on the desktop and then you've got personalize or display settings, or you can also scroll down here and somewhere here you will have an icon of your graphic card. I don't have it at the moment because I just turned off the graphic card, but it's basically what you do. And over there in the settings you need to find how to customize or personalize which graphic cards are used for which games or applications, etc, etc. So that's it for today. Please let me know in the comments if this way helped you identify if your graphics card is the problem and if you managed to fix it. And if you managed to fix it, which of the ways worked. And that's it for today. Remember to click thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.